What's up, guys? Jet Treha back here in the shop. I know it's been a while. You know, just crazy life stuff has been getting in the way here recently, but you know, you got to take care of your responsibles, as Ricky from Trailer Park Boys would say. But yeah, I'm just got to take that today. I'm taking that metal bar thing that, you know, the dash went on to out. I don't know what that actual name of that thing is, but yeah, gonna take that out, and after that, I'm not gonna get to this today, but I am going to eventually knock out all that sound deadening stuff on the floor. But today, yeah, we're just getting that metal bar thing out. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, we got it out. Thank God, man. With a little help from my Paul. He came back from North Carolina today and helped me out. So very thankful for that. He's a lot smarter than me. So yeah. All right, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside of the car now. Yeah. All that's freed up now, and man, I'm so nervous about all that crap, all these plugs and stuff. I tried marking everything that I did unplug. I know some of them were already unplugged before I started working on it. And you know, the car was cranking up. The car cranks, by the way, after I put that new belt on right here. So that's good. But yeah, I just once I started working on, you know, the metal bar and all that, I, you know, of course had to unplug some of the connectors so I could, you know, get the wiring harness on, you know, to feed it through and off of the metal bar. But I marked the ones that I unplugged, so it will tell me like, hey, this was plugged in when the car was cranking. But yeah. So next will be knocking all that stuff out, and then the car will be ready for a roll cage. I know I still gotta take care of that exhaust, which I'm probably not gonna be able to do. I don't know, we'll see just worry about that later. But yeah. Can't believe I've gotten this far, man. It's crazy. But all right, guys, that should do it for this video. I'm gonna try to get to that sound deadening stuff as soon as I can, but I'm so ready to get back on the racetrack, dude. I'm ready to get this daggone car, you know, built up, because I miss racing, dude. I freaking miss it so much. I mean, mind is totally free when I'm out there on that racetrack, and who doesn't want to feel free, you know? But all right, guys, yeah, just y'all stay safe, stay groovy. Jet Trey Hot House.